Good morning, friends. Welcome to Option Achievers channel. Today we are going to see about false breakout. This is a most interesting topic that we are going to see today. Come, let's get into the video. Before that, if you did not subscribe so far for this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you will get the new videos and interesting videos. Now, this is 31st August 2020 Nifty Bank intraday chart. If you see this is a 5-minute chart, so if you see the first candle seems very good candle of green, so people will think that it's bullish market and market already opened in a gap up, and the first 5 minutes candle is also green, so people will start jumping and start buying or going for call options, something like that. But you see, after the 5 minutes is over, it started reversing it, and the day started crashing slowly, and it never again met the first green candle. This is the clear cut false indicator. So when you start trading, at least you should wait for 15 minutes. Market opens around 9:15 to 9:20. This green candle formed, which is a false signal. 9:20 to 9:25, a small red candle. People may think that buy on dips, so again people may try to buy it at this time also. In another 5 minutes, there is a very good red candle. It clearly broke the first green candle. That is the real entry for anyone to sell it. If you watch only the first indicator and if you start trade within first 5 minutes, for sure you would make a great loss and your stop loss will be hitting for sure. So this is one type of false indicator which will be showing at the starting of the day, the first 5 minutes. Now I will show you something, the false indicator that is happening in the middle of the day. This is Nifty Bank 26 August 2020 5 minutes candle. If you see around 2 o'clock, there is a false breakout is happening with a good volume, a very good green candle. The same thing is happening in 5 minute candle, but if you see in 1 minute candle, you can see a clear cut breakout. I have drawn the line, horizontal line between the 10:30 morning it was meeting a high, and the same high is happening now also. So people will think that okay, it is a breakout, so let's start buying it. This clear cut indicator will be visible if you choose the 1 minute candle, because in 1 minute candle after the breakout you can see at least some 2 or 3 candles. As this is 5 minutes candle, you can see only a tail is going up and coming down. So that is a false breakout again, because if you would have bought at that price, definitely for sure your stop loss will be hitting, because after the breakout almost 20 minutes it was trading below that breakout, and during that 20 minutes for sure your stop loss would have been hit, or people who are all not having patience definitely would have sold and come out. After the 20 minutes, if you see, the volume is very good, the green candle is also very good. Yeah, of course there was some small profit booking was happening in the middle, but that red candle is not such a big as green color candle. Most of the times, once the false breakout happens, after that the green candle will be a bigger one and it will be going on a high way without any break. That is where you can understand that it was a false indicator. It has hit all the stop loss. Now nobody is there to do a stop, so it will go on its way without any reverse. This you can understand clearly. So people lot of time used to ask me how to identify the stop loss, how to identify that false indicator, everything. But you should remember that indicator is for everyone, not only for you. So everybody will be watching the same indicator. So for sure people will try to misuse that indicator, or they want to cheat the retail indicator, so that the institutional sellers or buyers, they used to play around this indicator also. Whatever is the indicator available for you, the same indicator is available for them also. So they want to cheat you, they want to eat your capital so that they can grow their money. Now let us see Nifty 50 index 26 August 1 minute candle. If you see the false breakout, it is clearly visible almost more than 5 to 7 minutes. It was above the breaking line, and after that it has come back, it has hit all the stop loss, and after that it started moving upwards without any much reverse in the direction. This is another example of false breakout. Always you can see that whenever there is a false breakout, after the false breakout the market will go in one direction very fastly. This you can see it very clearly in all the examples. Now I will show you another example. Nifty Bank 12th August 2020 5-minute candle chart. If you see the first candle, it was long red candle, and if you see the tail of the red candle, it is much larger. If you see the same thing in 1 minute chart, for sure you will understand that. At least in the 5-minute chart, the first candle is very much reddish, so people will think that this is going to be a bearish market for the entire day, so let's start selling it. But if you see what happens after the 5 minutes, it started showing green color, at least for the next 3 candles, which means each candle is 5 minutes. After 15 minutes, once the market open, from the market the breakout is happening for the first candle only after 20 minutes. So you should enter into the trade only after 20 minutes. If you wait till now for the 20 minutes, yes, for sure you will be in a profit. But if you start jump into the trade in the first minute of the candle itself, then your profit is question mark. This is another false indicator, false signal that will happen during the first 5 minutes. So the first candle may be green or may be red, but rest of the candles may be opposite to that. This is one of the false indicator, just making the retail indicator to panic so that they will do a wrong entry so that their capital can be eaten. These kind of tricks are done by the institutional traders. Now there is a diagram that I shown you, false breakout. So if you see, generally when there is a channel is going on, the market will properly respect the channel. It will hit the upside and it will come downside, and again it will go upside, again it will come downside. Almost 2 times or 3 times it will hit. Generally the false breakout happen in the 3rd time or 4th time. If you see, I have just marked it in a circle way where it just started breaking out. Once it started breaking out, lot of retail traders will jump in and buy. Whenever they buy, they put a stop loss just 10 points below. Once they put the stop loss, for sure the market also will reverse and will hit the stop loss. Once it hit the stop loss, it will again go back, and for sure it will achieve the target, but the target will be achieved only for institutional investors. Most of the retail traders will be losing the money, and the reason is false breakout. Next time when you see such kind of channels or something, please try to remember that it may be a false breakout for you. If it is going to be a false breakout, be careful enough so that you will not lose your capital. First, protect the capital. Next, profit. Be patient. I already released one more YouTube for you, how you should trade it, trading rules, do's and don'ts. Please watch out that video so that you will understand how your emotion is affecting each and every trade. Okay, see you in a next good video. Until then, see you. Bye bye.